November 6th in a nutshell, 57 degrees, our average high for the day. We're going to be well above that, calling for 70 here this afternoon. Already mid to upper 60s in some neighborhoods. We've got Erie at 68, Aurora 70, Lakewood 67. As you get up into the mountains, you're going to find some 50s. At this point, a little increase in cloud cover in the mountains. You can see some of the snow that's starting to come down up and through the northern Front Range Mountains, so parts of Rocky Mountain National Park will pick up a little at those higher elevations, around 1 to potentially 2 inches here by later tonight into early tomorrow morning. That'll then clear out, and we're going to see more sunshine up and through the high country tomorrow on Friday. That's a live look, though, here at Winter Park, and you can see dry roads as you drive right through Winter Park, but the mountains surrounding it picking up a little of that snow. So, again, could see a couple of inches, hopefully there at the top of that ski resort. Right now, Futurecast clearing out here across the plains, mid to upper 60s for highs by about 3-4 o'clock. That's what we're going to cool down into. As we get closer to kickoff for tonight's Broncos game, should be in the upper 50s, and then we'll cool down from there. Overnight tonight, skies will clear, more sunshine early Friday morning, and you're going to find highs tomorrow afternoon back in the low to mid 60s. It's going to be another unseasonably warm day. One more warmer than average day before this next cold front. Colder air is going to sink in. We've got another chance for some mountain snow. You'll see it there late Friday night into early Saturday morning. But temperature-wise, it'll be cooler, but not for long. In fact, when you look at our 10-day forecast, warmer than average conditions continue across the western U.S., covering a good portion of the country, in fact. Super 7-day, 70 today, mid 60s tomorrow, and then we're going to drop down into the mid 50s on Saturday. So tomorrow's still mild. When you look at your at the park forecast, or as your kids are heading off to school, they'll want an extra layer in the morning, but we're still looking at those low to mid 60s with a little mix of sun and clouds in the afternoon hours. Saturday, we're at 55. Sunday, cooler but dry. Temps are going to drop down to around 50 degrees on Sunday. May see some neighborhoods only in the upper 40s, but it will stay dry here in town through the weekend. Next week, you can see it warms right back up. In fact, upper 60s to some low 70s Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday.